What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about how to expedite Windows quality updates with Microsoft Intune. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about expediting quality updates within Intune. So the first thing that we need to do is log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center, which would be right here. Yes. On the left-hand side, we're going to click on Show All. We're going to locate and click on Microsoft Intune. So go for it. Click on it. On the left-hand side, we are going to click on Devices. Within Devices, underneath By Platform, we are going to click on Windows. Underneath Manage Updates, we are going to click on Windows Updates. So click on it. Within the Windows Updates section, we have 6 tabs. We're going to get into the Update Rings tab. So click on it. We're going to click on Create Profile. We're going to give our profile a name. I gave it the following. And I'm going to click Next, which is located on the lower left-hand side. So click on it. Now for the settings, where it says upgrade Windows 10 devices to the latest Windows 11 release, I'm going to slide that to yes. We're going to scroll down until you locate Enable Pre-Release Builds. Make sure that that is configured to not configured. Make sure that's configured to not configured. Yes. The next setting that we need to configure will be the automatic update behavior. Click on the drop down and I'm going to set it to reset to default. And the next setting that I'm going to configure would be change notification update level. And I just make sure it is set to use the default Windows update notifications. And on the lower left-hand side, we are going to click on Next. We're going to click on Add Groups. From here, I'm going to select my group. I'm going to click on Select. On the lower left-hand side, I am going to click on Next. A nice little review. And on the lower left-hand side, click on Create. On the upper right-hand side, you're going to get Update Ring Successfully Assigned, Update Ring Successfully Created. If you give it some time, there goes our Update Ring policy. Now, let's head over to the Quality Updates tab. We're going to click on Create. Now, the option that we're going to click on would be the second one, Expedite Policy. We're going to give it a name. At the very bottom where it says select the quality update you would like to expedite, you have 2 options because it's January and February. By default, it's going to do February, but if you click on the drop down, you're able to choose which one you want. Now, if I was pushing out January, pick January 13th, right? And then I have to change the name. So for us, I'm going to do February 10. Now, the last option to set would be the reboot. If a reboot is required, select the number of days before it's enforced. By default, it's set to 1 day. I'm going to set it to 0 days. And on the lower left-hand side, let's click on Next. It is time for us to assign this policy to a group. So click on Add Groups, select your group, click on Select, and on the lower left-hand side, click on Next. A nice little review, click on Create. And on the upper right-hand side, it's going to say Windows Quality Update Deployment Successfully Assigned, Windows Quality Update Deployment Successfully Created. And if you give it some time, there goes our update. Cool. Now, if you want to check the status of it, you are able to run a report or generate a report. So on the left-hand side, let's click on Reports. We're going to locate Windows Updates, which is underneath Device Management. So locate it and click on it. From here, you have 2 tabs. You have Summary, you have Reports. So let's click on the Reports tab. And we're going to click on Windows Expedited Update Report. So click on that. Where it says Expedited Update Policy, click on Select an Expedited Update Policy. So click on it and then pick your policy. I selected my policy. On the lower left-hand side, I'm going to click OK. Now click on Generate Report. On the upper right-hand side, it's going to say Generating Windows 10 Quality Update Report. That's crazy. It says Windows 10, but it's Windows 11. That's weird. But give it some time and eventually you're going to get the following. Awesome. Now, my 5859, which is the machine that I typically use to test a lot of my policies, the update state is offering. Update substate is offer ready. Now, when I was checking this machine, apparently this machine can't get any updates because it's running a very old Windows 11 build. I have to upgrade that build eventually. And then once it's upgraded, it should push out this policy with no problem. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.